Viv, and for today's video I'm here with Melody, and it has been a hot minute since we've done an episode of our series Doll Size It, where we take human-sized clothing and make them into stuff for our American Girl doll. So I decided for today's video to bring in the new spring trends and whatever. I would do an episode of Doll Size It. So for today's video we are going to be making these really adorable straw purses. I've been seeing these literally everywhere in a whole bunch of different shapes, textures, sizes, but ultimately they're all just like straw little bags, perfect for spring and summer and so super cute with any outfit. So if you're interested in knowing how to make one of these for your American Girl doll, just go ahead and keep watching. To start off, you're going to need a base for your bag. I'm using jarlets to create a circular shape, but you can also use boxes or rolled newspaper into your desired shape. You will also need twine, or you can use yarn, hot glue, and scissors. Be sure to have permission to work with the hot glue gun as it can burn you, so just be careful as you craft. For the twine or yarn, you can either leave it how it is or braid it to get a cool texture. The first thing I did was glue my lids together, and then starting from the center of the lid, I glued down the ends of the twine and then coiled it around itself and added glue as I went to cover the front of the bag. When I reached the sides, I took the ends of the twine and just led them on to like the side of where the bag is and glued it down. This will be covered later. You'll want to cover both sides before you do the middle section. This is what the sides of my bag looked like, and you can see that I used a mixture of plain twine and braided twine. When you reach the middle section, wrap it as usual and then cut off the excess twine and glue it into place once you cover the whole bag. When you finish covering the bag, it should look something like this. And at this point, you can leave it how it is if you like the plain look, or you can add a bow for decoration like I did here. Finally, for the strap, I glued one piece of twine onto the top of my bag, and then I was done. And here's how the bag turned out. I think it's so super cute and great to pair with anything for the spring season. Anyways guys, that is it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this and other American Girl doll videos, such as sewing tutorials, outfit videos, hairstyle videos, and more. And if you decide to recreate this DIY, be sure you tag me in a picture on Instagram because I would love to see it. My Instagram is @DollyDelights, just like how it is here on my channel. So once again, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate all of you who are watching this video. Thank you for supporting me and my channel, and I will see you next time in my next video. Bye!